Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Stem stitch on the side, outline it so that way it's nicer. You can do back stitch, you can do stem stitch. Anything is good for outline. Chain stitch too. I'm gonna do satin stitch finally, but and in the middle I gave some French knot. So like that way outline. So I'm going to do two more later, but I'm just show you how to do the French knot. So we're gonna went from the middle. You can do from the side, you can do from the middle. Some people do from the middle, some people do from the side. It's up to you. It's just filling it in, you know. So So if you see that it's a little far away, you can do it a second time. That'll fill it in good. So like I'm going to go one more time. I'll just show you one and then I'll finish it up. Yeah, you're gonna run into that problem all the time, this thing getting in the side. That's just part of it, you know. Yes, 2 times is a better feeling than once. Also I'm using 6 strands, so if you use less, then it will be less feeling. Some people do thin filling though. Depends on how much thread you have. So you see it looks so much thicker. I'm going to go this side couple of times because this somehow yellow, this yarn was out. Yep, it looks nice now, nice and thick. We're done. Look. So this is how you can do a thick satin stitch. Basically overlapped. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest. So today I showed you the satin stitch and the fishbone for the leaf, okay? So now I'm gonna fill it in all.
Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.